We're gonna start the little lady's training off. Hi, honey. By the little boy, Maui. Maybe teaching her, come on guys, this way, a little more about the play rules. This is the first play date, training play date. Naturally, we have the harness on, long line, so I can nab the leash if I need to. Come on guys, this way. Yes, good. So I'm going to let her hey honey, did you get lost? I'll let her play a little, let her have some fun, get a little tired, and then I'm going to do loose leash walk, and then I'm going to reward her again by playing some more. Run, Maui! Run, Maui! I've taught him to be a runner. Run, Maui! Run! And I've taught my dogs to not bite, not glom, not wrestle, just because there's so many sensitive dogs. Come on guys, this way! Go! Now watch, Luna does mouthing stuff that Maui does not like, Luna. And he will do a little growl, and she is so good at play, she will stop, she will listen. So this is the perfect training lesson for a playmate, because she does so well. She responds to his lessons. They're very good. A lot of puppies aren't that adept. He's a mouther. As you can see, come on. And I'm just gonna let them go because Maui's telling her, Luna, no, I don't like that. We don't do that. Any second, I'm going to start training the loose leash walking on the training collar, the martingale training collar. I like the chain martingale training collar. Leave it! Because just the sound of the chain rattling is enough. Grab the leash. Good. Good girl, honey. Good. This way. This way. I'm using my body. Hey, 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 hey. This way. Good. I don't want to be yanking and cranking on a 5-month baby, or any dog for that matter. So I'm going to use my body, use space, use sound. Good girl, honey. This way, this way, this way. Good. This way. Initially, all of this leash training, learning leash skills is a lot of work physically, but later on we won't need the leash. We put all the work up front, so we don't need the thing. We don't overly rely on it. We only use this leash as a boundary definer, as a communication tool. Hey honey, this way. We do not use a leash to bring a dog from this position to this position by pulling them. If I want her to my right and she's to my left, I'm gonna move my body this way and then do a circle. This way. Hey, hey. Good, good. So I stopped. I did not yank and crank. I allowed her to correct herself by stopping. Good girl, honey. Good. Distract her. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, hey, hey. This way. This way. Good. And that's just a little pressure, release. Pressure, release. Pressure, release. Come on, honey. Are you whining? Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Walking up the leash. Leave it. Leave. Walking up. Walking up. Leave it. Leave it. Good. Good girl, honey. Good. This way. Whoops. You gotta lose. Maui, come. I'm gonna call him and she will follow. Maui, come. Move it. Move it. Move it. Hey, hey, hey. Good. No, leave it. leave it, leave it, leave it. Distract and remove. Leave it, leave it, leave it. Distract and remove. Leave it. This way. This way. Walk up the leash. Get in front. Interrupt. Eye contact in between her and the distractor. This way. Notice how I'm pulling in. Come on, honey. This way. Come on. Come on, honey. This way. Go. So it's not just a matter of yanking and cranking. They're being playful. I'm being playful. P. We want to interrupt. I. Redirect. R. The purr effect. Good girl, honey. Now keep her playful. Good. Because we want her to be happy in training. We don't want any training to be a negative theme for dogs. Leave it. Hey, good. Good girl, honey. Good. Now I'm going to reward her by allowing her to play with him. You ready, honey? Are you ready? Are you ready? See if you can handle it. There we go. Whoops. Come. 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 I need to get the other harness on. Hi, honey. You're so good. Okay, honey, come on. Good boy, Maui. There we go. Now, it's fair game. Aloha is trained specifically to teach dogs how to play. Good. And I do the vast majority of pack training. Maui, leave it. Vast majority of pack training. Maui, leave it. Maui, leave it. So I wouldn't normally interfere, but Aloha, she has her hands full with this bundle of energy. She's going to protect him. She protects Maui from the high energy dogs and puppies. She typically never bites, opens her mouth or punches or anything, but when it comes to protecting Maui, she's going to open her mouth and do a nose punch. Out of control. It's not bad, but I want to teach him emotion regulation. That's what this is all about. That wasn't really bad, but it wasn't ideal. A little too dysregulated. So we're going to loose leash walk. Come on, honey. Pack walk. Come on, Maui. This way. Good. Magic words. Leave it and this way. Leave it. Letting her know it's time to train. Now the only reason I'm stopping her, because her learning emotion regulation is crucial for her adult period. And she was just a little overboard, a little over threshold. Good. Now she's recovering extremely well into manageability. Okay, this way, this way. Good. Leave it. Hey. I want him to start looking at me when I stop him. His focus is a little less than desirable on the handler. So I'm going to make a sound. When he looks at me, I'm going to praise, which is a process of shaping his focus. Good. Leave it. Motion regulation, frustration tolerance. Leave it. Miss Mouthy girl. This way. This way. And noticed this leash never stays tight for more than 1 or 2 seconds. Leave it. Leave it. Walking up. Good. Leave it. Leave it. Good. I will reward her with play in a minute. We're going to go training, play. Leave it. Leave it. Training, play. Training, play. Training during play like this is extremely successful because they're deeply into their learning brain in the playful state, unless they get over threshold, which is when naturally we redirect. This way, honey. Come on, honey. Leave it. Leave it. This way. Walking up the leash. Get in between. This way. Come on, honey. Good. This way. This way. Good. Beautiful. Beautiful little girl. You get them between the two and her little ADD brain forgot all about the dog. They're looking at me. Sound, space, occasional command. I only give commands if she is on leash, so I can follow through, help her know cause and effect. So if she understands leave it means leave it 100% of the time, she's going to learn quicker. If she hears leave it when she's not on leash and she just ignores it, she's learned, oh, okay, this means this when the leash is on, and it means that when the leash is off. Once she gets bored with my dogs, I will let her play again, and she will ramp right back up, spring right back up to her playful stuff. This way. The leash is never, ever, ever tight. Leave it. Come on, honey. Leave it. Good. Never, ever, ever tight. Tender tug, which is pressure release, pressure release, pressure release, pressure release. I'm stopping, letting her know you don't get to go anywhere when you get a little overzealous like that. This way. Good girl, honey. Good girl, honey. Come on, you. I'm gonna let her go now because she's doing so well. Maui, come here, honey. You ready, Maui? I'll keep you safe, I promise. La-ha! Mer, 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 la-ha! Mer, mer, mer. Okay, okay. I kind of sicked her on Aloha. Oh, honey, I gotta protect my little boy. Yes. Again, when she starts overly mouthing, she gets dysregulated. She starts to get overwhelmed. And the titty in her will get overwhelmed and clamp and won't let go. Just because this. What the? Hey, 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 little babies do. Leave it. Leave it. Maui, come. Leave it. Good. Now she's not leaving him alone, so I'm going to stop the play. Cause and effect. This way. Come on, honey. You tired, honey? Okay. You don't have to go anywhere. Come on, honey. Dogs really need to potty, be pottied before they go inside after they play.